Welcome back to Learn the Blender's program. Today, let's create a model with the theme Cozy Tea Time. Let's be Yokan. Shift A to add the cute model and change the size to small. As the bevel modify to smooth. Add the subdivision surface and change level 2 to smooth. Place alternately to copy the Yokan's model and set the size. Shift A to add the cube model to create the plate. Shift A to add the plants model to create the bamboo leaf to decorate the plate. Select some points and extrude to the size and change the shape to look like the leaf. Add the subdivision surface and change level 2 to smooth. Add the solidified modifier to add the thickness. Place Ctrl R to add the line for the model to adjust the shape. Adjust the angles of the first camera to see the model's layout of the teaser. Shift A to add the cylinders model to create the glass. Place alternate C to open the X-ray tool. Select the top face and place it to change the size. Select the top face and place delete the face. Place Shift Alternate and select the lines. Place Ctrl B to bevel the line. As the bevel modifies and adjust the value in the amount and segment, add the solidify and subdivision surface modify. Shift A to add the cylinders model and change the shape to fit the space inside the glass. As the bevel modifies and change the amount to 0.5 and the segment to 10. Add the subdivision surface and change level 2. Shift A to add the planes model to create the glass plate. Add the solidify modify to add the thickness. Open the eyes of the old model and arrange all the models beautifully. Shift A to add the planes model to create the background. Shift A to add the cubes model to create the diesel spatula. As the bevel modified to make all model to smooth and consistent with the same theme. Resize and rearrange the model to further decorate and complete the diesel model. Shift A to add the cylinders model to create the smoke. Adjust the shape to look like smoke running on it. add the subdivision surface and bevel modifier. Adjust the size to large. Dark one more scene and place C to change mode. Change one scene to shader editor to add a new materials. Yokan's materials change the color in the principal BSDF to brown. Slowly adjust the value in the principal node. Shift A to add the volume absorption and connect with the volume in the materials output. Change the color to dark brown. The next material is bamboo. Shift A to add the wave texture. Place Ctrl T to add the mapping and texture coordinate as the color lamp. Rotate the patterns of the wave texture. Change the color to green. Shift A to add the bump nodes and connect with the normal in the principal. In the place materials as the noise texture. In the deserts, use the noise textures and wave texture. the color lamp and bump node to add more texture. Change the color to a brown color tone. For the glass, use the color materials. Matcha, change the green colors and change the locknet to 0 and transmission to 1. The next smoke materials as the principal volume and connect with the volume in the material's output. Change the density to 0.5. Shift A to add the gradient texture, color lamp, and connect with the density color. Shift A to add the noise textures and the multiply node. change the color and values in the emission. The background materials as the noise textures and color lamp. Add the bump notes to more texture. Arrange as small models to get a beautiful image. Shift A to add the area rise and change the power. Add the ramp to the back to increase the brightness. Place alternately to copy one's area rise and set it aside. This is the end of this video. If you have any question or want to make another model, you can tell us in the comments below. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you!